Good morning, everyone. Market's about to open here in about a minute or so. We are in an interesting area. We are kind of bouncing off this high volume node as well as this low volume node right here. But I do have a supply zone kind of drawn up here. So I would like to see if we kind of reject this area. But I have this box drawn right here just because on the 55 time frame, we have my model set up. So I'm just waiting for that 55 candle to close on the outside. And then wait for a retracement back into the zone. That's if the 55 candle can close to the outside though. Because we are in a retracement on that 233. And it looks decent. Okay, we got that candle close. So now we just kind of wait and see for a retracement back into the zone. Alright, we get that retracement back in. I'm also only aiming for like maybe 5 or so points. Don't really need too much.
Order filled.
Don't need too much because I'm only trading the my funded futures right now, not any per dia accounts. So I'm just looking to see if everything still looks fine. Maybe if we break this low, I might just get out. Yeah, I'm not liking this anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna try to exit out like here. I'm gonna get stopped out for sure. Let's see if we can get out at there, unless I just close a little early.
Stop filled.
Nope. Because I see another play right here. So this was based off the 55. And I see another area of interest right here. That 144 candle kind of closes though, then it could be interesting for shorts, definitely. Yeah, it did just close. So
Order filled.
I should have waited a little bit. I got a little carried away on that. Let's see. Yeah, it could definitely go to the 52. 55. Yeah. I think right at my break even. Wow, we're just like a tick away from getting that fill. I think I might get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Wow, that was kind of annoying. A little unfortunate, I guess. 66.25, this low was at 56. I was literally one tick away. I might enter again actually, because that 233R did close to the downside.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna re-enter. But instead of actually 78 would be a better area to enter, like a little bit more of a bounce up. Because actually I don't know how confident I feel about this one anymore. but I would like to go for 20 points instead, so at 45. Yeah, you see, I knew it was gonna have a bounce there. Just didn't go to where I wanted it to. Stop's gotta be above the 233 for sure, so it's right above there. And I might actually try to aim for the 50 level for right now, which is at 28. So it's almost like a 1-to-1, a little bit less. Yeah, right now we're also at that 34 area. So I would like for this zone to kind of hold. But as of right now, market is kind of just pushing up. So I feel like I might get stopped out, to be honest. Yeah, and if I get stopped out here, then I'm just gonna call it for a day for sure. And it'll be the first red day we take in quite some time. This right here, I should have drawn it out before, but this is a bit of a reaction zone, that low volume node. This one right here. Honestly, I don't really need to target all the way down here. I could maybe just target like 30 or so points, maybe 40. So maybe I could actually move it up to 35 or just below. Yeah, maybe just before like this tiny high volume node. It's very tiny, but I mean, there's also no data being released or anything. So you just gotta see that price respects this area and also go to the downside. This could also be a nice area for another short opportunity if we get like 2 consecutive down close candles right here. Yeah, because then we'll get another model entry here. Also on the on the 55 bar, we have another model entry as well, potential. We have this low here. We need this candle to not be an up close. All right, it's an up close. Let's see if we can get 2 consecutive down close candles here. We also have this high that's formed. So we have the potential for the makings of our model entry. There's a little bit of a sell order that kind of came in right here. Let's see if price can kind of hold that. Okay, nice. We got that model entry right here on the 33, as well as on the 55. So for the 55, instead of it being here, the high is actually here. So now we're still just waiting. Waiting for a nice down close candle. And we get that down close candle, so could enter there or take another entry, but I'm still staying true to my targets down there. You can see this zone has been respected so far, so I'm liking what I'm seeing. You know, our target's down here at 233, so another 30 points down. But it might have a little bit of a tough time trying to get past this level right here from 260 to 250. So as soon as we can kind of break down here, we should be fine. Yeah, once we can get back down below 250, we should be fine. We're getting a little bit of that break. I might move to break even. Yeah, it was fairly close to hitting my target. I might just manually close out here. That was so close to hitting my target. So then maybe I'll just put it down a little bit. Stops at break even right now. But I'm tempted to exit out, close my position for this. Oh, actually, you know what? The 233 candle did just close. So I'm gonna keep my stop loss. Instead of it being up here like it was, around the 215, I'm gonna keep it there, because this is the 233 candle close. We just need that 50% level to be hit, and we're fine. Unless I just move my stop right above this candle high. Right now, it kind of just bounced off that high volume node area, or not the high volume node area, excuse me, but I still do think it's gonna be going down, but it's kind of just bouncing off of this value area high right here, just bouncing off of it a little bit. I would like to see price kind of hold below it. Okay, so it seems like we're around back to break even. Let's see if we can get a nice little push to the downside. Yeah, as long as we don't break this high, we should be fine, honestly. Let's see how the 15 minutes kind of looking now. It's still looking somewhat okay. Just closed. Yeah, I was hoping for this high volume node, tiny high volume node right there to get hit first instead of it having a bounce inside this low volume node area, but you can see price is kind of wanting to come down, back down. So I think it should end up touching this 229 area. We have some sell orders here. Just another like 5 points down. I think I might try to trail it. No, but I do think it's just gonna go down. Yeah, there we go.
Target filled.
Nice. Okay, nice. So we did have one bad trade, I would say. Wow, look at that. Right at the 50 level, bounce back up. That's good. I'm content with that. That's all we really needed. Don't need anything more. So yeah, as I was saying before, I was only trading my funded futures account because my per day account still, the live transition to live, it takes like anywhere from 7 to 10 business days. So I'll probably just be trading on my funded futures account, and I may purchase like another account with either Take Profit Trader or Top Step. But maybe just one, maybe two accounts, not too sure. Because, we're just using the profits from my funded futures to increase our account sizes and stuff. So yeah, close day to almost being red today, close day. But, we have faith in our system, in our model. So since we have faith in it and we kind of stick to what we know and what we've back tested and everything, we come out on top. And we've been coming out on top for over a month now, which I'm more than content with, for sure. So it's just a short live today. Just the one account was traded, but I'm more than fine with that. So with that being said, just stay true to your model. Don't deviate away from it. You should be fine. And peace.